right, welcome out there, everybody. How are y'all doing tonight? Welcome to a really quick session. I did this for all the members, and it's good to see a bunch of people in here. And listen, I haven't been doing that many shows lately for the public. I haven't been doing my stream. I really just been focusing on the members area. But I will be getting out there. We're going to start to do some live streams for the public, so we're going to start to do that at least once, twice a week. I'm going to team up with Jonas and Darth on that. Don't forget, we are over here in the lovely Flux Trading. This is us, little shill. And I want to say the tech bot, man, that thing is on freaking fire. Fire! Like, the tech bot is absolutely insane. $49.95 a month. Best $49.95 you spent. I think all an absolutely massively beautiful short trade. I was already in it, but it always helps to add that extra layer of confidence that it gives to my trades, right? So I always like that. So listen, I'm going to buzz through as quickly as I possibly can here. I just want everybody to know that if you don't want to watch through this whole video, my summary is I still think that what we've seen here is just a bunch of just dead cat bounces. We basically bounced off the middle right here. This is the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly. That's what happened right there at this 9,800. We then bounced up, dead cat bounce, like I called. Second dead cat bounce with almost a double top pattern right here. Then we fell down. Look at this, right back down to support of where we felt we'd found that support before. Right, and I'd said 92, 9100. If we can crack it, right, is the catch zone below here. We bounced off. So once again, dead cat bounce off that middle Bollinger Band on the weekly, lower bounce, double topped it, and then fell right through it. So we're technically underneath that weekly Bollinger Band, the weekly middle Bollinger Band. And the issue is that Bollinger Band has now turned itself into a resistance zone, right? So what it did is it's now saying, hey, okay, this is now the resistance zone. I'm going to make this blue. And we're going to pop this bad boy in here. Where the hell are you? There we go. Right? And this is the weekly middle BB R zone here. Right? So now you've got to try to get back up and through this middle Bollinger Band in order to get back up above, right? And I could see a wick out right here. Remember, this is a very low time frame. This is the 23-minute right here, right? But I mean, I would still like to see, if we are going to bounce, we are going to bounce right damn here, right damn now. And one of the things I'm looking at is, you know, if you take a look at your RSI chart, this is my RSI bubble chart. We are in the blue box, right? The support area right here, right? Bounced out, bounced out, bounced out, bounced out, bounced out. This is technically a double bottom right here, right? If this keeps playing out like this, right? I mean, this is technically still a double bottom right here that can play out. And what do we got? We've got 4 hours left in this bad boy. Let's take a look and see what that candle is. Spinning top style candle, not a bad candle. Right, that's not a bad candle. Now on the 3-day, we do have a little bit of a double bottom over on the 3-day chart. Right, I'm going to slide this away. So I still see this as just stacked resistance right here. I'm going to leave my hammers right here. I'm not putting a lower hammer on this, right? And I'm not going to put a lower hammer on this because there's really no support right here where we're at. There's nothing. So as we go along, you're going to see our moving averages are just a little bit lower. They're down in like the 95 and change area. But we don't really have any support under us right here. Like, there's some support in the 9,500 range, you know, and then really it's 9,200 that I see the next layer of support that's below us. Is at 91, 9,200. Look at this. This is a big head and shoulders. I've had this playing out for quite a long time. Here's your support area still down here. If we did get down here, I mean, I would just say, okay, there's 91, 9,200 right down there. I'm going to cruise along. So this is always, look, there's the big triangle that I've been playing out, and want you to know that I was the very first trader back in late July, early August, the very first one to say, hey, this is a freaking triangle. And we're in a big ass triangle. And sure enough, this thing is played out just like a huge triangle. Here's the crazy thing, right? So look at this. This is the bear market, right? You can see the RSI over here. This is bear market RSI, okay? Right? Look, bear market RSI, bull market run, right? Look at all the bull market. Nothing drops down here. And we have been teasing this bad boy out now for a long time. Like we're just over here seriously dropping the tease like out, out. And look, every single time, bang, 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 on the line over and over and over again, right? And now if you take a look at this, like right where we're at, this line has been tested once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 damn times we have tested this line. And this is what really is the important thing to look at. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to retested 5 damn times, right? When will this break, right? That's what we really need to be focusing on, right? Is that right there. So I'm going to slide this bad boy over here. I'm going to slide this baby here, right there, like that, like that, like that. This is our bear market. These are horrible. Let's do them yellow. Yellow. Yellow's easier to see. Right there. Get that last one over there. I'll squeeze this bad boy in there. There we go. There we go. Okay. So we have now tested this 5 damn times. And listen, you can only test something. And people say, oh, the more you test it, the stronger it is. Not in Bitcoin, not in cryptocurrency. The more you test something, the weaker it becomes. So you just keep banging on it, right? Keep banging on it over and over and over. It's just, dude, the best way I can put this is, I mean, you know, me and my wife, I have my set day every week where I get lucky, right? But you better believe, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even Sunday, I'm trying, hey, just kind of throwing it in there because one of those, every once in a while I get extra little lucky on that, extra one time a week, whatever it is. Just remember, married life goes short on married life, right? So, I mean, this bad boy's gonna crack, right? I feel that we have over tested this line at this point, and the next time this line gets checked, right? 5 damn times we have hit this line. When this fucker breaks, hold on to your socks, right? So we have tested that over and over and over and over. We just can't. The bulls have held that very nicely. They've done a really good job holding this. But, at the same time, this bad boy it seems like it's doing the same thing that we see in all of crypto right now, which is confirming that massive triangle right here, right? Creating this massive triangle. And what do you think there? What do you think there? That look good? I'll go right there. Right? Creating this massive triangle. Oh, let's make sure. Oh, might be a little high on that side right there. There we go. And there we go. All right. All right. The RSI also in a huge triangle. Right? Huge freaking triangle. Right? Bang, 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 right? All right, so now we got 2 big triangles working on there. Okay, so the next thing, another reason why I'd like to see a little bit of a bounce out of here, and let me do this. I'm going to clone this bad boy. Ooh, that's got some run up to it right there, right? we're in the triangle. There's the triangle. Our support, technically, where we're at, is still down here a little bit deeper, right? Our support is still down a little bit deeper. It's at 95. It's kind of 9400 range right there, 9400 where we have some support. But take a look at the same thing right here, right? We're seeing the same thing that we just witnessed on the RSI, right? We're just seeing the same thing right here, right? We're just looking right here. It's just bang, 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 bang. I mean, how many times are you banging on the door, right? You buy your roses, you bring wine, eventually you just move to straight freaking tequila. You know, one of these times she's going to put out, right? One of these times she's going to give in, and that's going to be it, right? You know, the important thing to do is watch this 33.3 line. This thing is just absolutely a gem. If you're not using it, you need to go over it. You need to put this on your chart. God Mode 3.1, throw it up on the daily. Drop yourself an alert line or a line on the 33.3. This is your and bear and or bull line. Excuse me, but this is the bear bull line. The blue line right here is your slower moving oscillator. That basically is this is your slower moving trend line, and when I talk trend, I talk bearish and or bullish trend. Your green line is your shorter term trend. It's your shorter. You're looking at your 12-hour chart, right? Where it's not even your 12-hour, it's like your 4-hour, 6-hour chart. Bang, boom, bomb, bing. This thing is, you know, calling out the little scout moves. Where the blue line is just slowly, right? Looking, you got a lower high, lower high, lower high. We're throwing in lower lows, and I'm going to mark that out here real quick for everybody, just so we all get a little look at that, right? Give me 1 second, because I want to make sure, right? HH, actually, sorry, LH, right? Clone, right? Lower high, lower high, LL, clone, right? And then this would be your HH, right? And HL. Got it? So you see how that worked out. Look at, so you're dumping down your lower higher lows, your lower lows, and you can see that the trend is converted to a more bearish trend, right? We'll pull that bad boy down here. We'll go like that. See if we can get this so it's there we are. All right. All right, bang. Give me a second. Try to get this for everyone. Right, to me, that is a bearish trend right there, right? But we all know that at the end of a bearish trend, you find a bottom and then you come up. And I still think that's what's happening, right? As we see here with my long-term trend right here, right? At the same time, look at this. Bang, 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 bang. It's like we are seeing a test. Like this is like freaking testing over and over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? It's like, God, it feels like a 12-year-old boy trying to get laid for the 3rd time, right? Or 15-year-old boy, or however, you know, when you got those hormones and they're super active and you're just, you're going to get laid no matter what it takes, right? 16 and gonna make it happen, right? So this is, I feel it's, at one point this is eventually going to break and we're going to truly go into a bearish decline. I'm still looking, this is my target 1, followed by this is my target 2. Please, 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 please don't break this oh crap area right here. Please don't break the oh crap area, okay? But that's kind of what I'm watching, and Not looking good if we do put in a lower low here, especially on any of these charts. Once again, on the oh shit, on the oh shit, on the oh shit, like this is all on the oh shit. Like everything that I see is we are sitting right on the damn line. Like everything I see right now is we are at a testing of a major support, right? Right? This, I mean, we are on the major testing of support, right? When I talk support, I talk. How about this? There we go. That kind of support, right? The kind of support that it's just so close to falling out, right? Like you want it to fall out, but you don't want it to fall out. But if it falls out, yeah, I mean it's good and bad for everybody. You know what I'm saying? We'll figure it out. So, but like same thing. Oh shit support. Oh shit support. Like every single thing I see is like oh shit support right here. There you see, look at, there's a support 95.35. If this is the 3-day 50 MA, but everything else is like deep, right? Deep. The monthly support is deep. It's, dude, everything below here is freaking, it just deep. There's nothing. Everything is stacked up right above us right here, right? Take a look at this. Everything is stacked above us. Look, the TD9 right here we had on the 4-hour, not bullish at all. Very bearish, right? Still means we can bump up. But look at all the support we have right here on the short term, the 4-hour, the 6-hour. Everything is trending down into this 10,000 range right here. So I'm going to show you. So, I mean, I'm just looking at this. Right, if you want to see what I'm looking at these two right here. I'm looking at this one right here. And then I'm going over here and I'm looking at this. Right, and all of this is my stack support on the top, right? The bounce would get stopped here, right? 10K, right? The 10K just like going to be like, right? That's exactly what's going to happen. 10K breaks on. That's it. Party's over. But yeah, there's just no freaking support below us, guys. I mean, all the support I see, if we don't stop on the 9,200, look, there's the 3-day 9,200. There's that 9,500 number again right there, right? We're outside the lower Bollinger Bands on everything else here. 12-hour, you got that 10K. And everything's dumping hard. So when this daily does close, you're going to get another hard dump right here on this middle BB on the daily. It's just going to roll right over to 10K. Same thing. This 12 hours is going to come down hard on us. So like there's nothing here that I see. There's that 10K. There's the middle Bollinger Band. We just talked about that middle Bollinger Band. Look at where the support is. The support's all the way freaking down here to 7,800, right? Like this is the ugly. Like we let go right here, and I'm worried that if we can't get the so weekly middle BB 10K, right? Where did it go? They're not. Give me a second here, boys and girls. Uno momento. Come on, pop up there. There we go. Right, the middle BB is at 10K. My issue is if we fall out, right? If we fall out, falling from here, supports. One, we had 9,500. 9540-ish has some 9,200 nice support, and I'll get to that in 1 second. Below that, we really need to start panicking below that, right? Actually, I don't even think we need to panic until we get down into the 6s, right? I really don't think we have to panic until we get down to the 6s. Right, so 3, I'm just going to go on and I'm going to say really you're looking at 8,200 to 7,800, right? God forbid, right? That would be super tragic. There's that 9,200 on the 3 days. So there's that 98, that 8,800. So now where are we at over here? Where are we at? Ooh, so 8,800. Oops. 2.5 equals 8,800. All right, so I just adjusted that. So here's the thing. A fall from here, you got 9,200 to catch you, right? 9,200 to catch you. Then you've got 7,700, which is going to be 7,800, right? This is going to go by. You're going to get 7,800. This is going to be 7,800, no problem. 7,800, 7,900 down here, right? It's just, this is our real deal support right here on the 3-day, right? This is it. This is our next support. You lose this 9,200, you're headed all the way down into the 8Ks. This is why I think if we're gonna hold here, there's just nothing on the Gausses. I really love the Gauss. I like the fact that we're below the lower Bollinger Bands over here on the 12-hour and the daily, because this is where I'd like to see us bounce. Once again, if we're gonna get a freaking bounce, the shit needs to bounce now. Like, we need to get a little baby relief bounce here, right? On the RSI, look at this. Look at where we're at on the RSI. We're back down to the support area, right? There it is. Look at the back down to the support. We break this. Look at this. Bears below, right? Look at the support line, right? Look at the support line. Like bull, 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 bull. Like, you drop below this, bear, 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 bear. Look at this. All bear, 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 bear. Okay? And we just gone a lot of, this is all bull, and we're testing this bad boy. God, I really would have liked to see us already at 8,500. God, I really would have liked to see us at freaking 8,500 already to get that bounce out. That's what I don't like about being in this zone where we're at right now. I would much rather prefer for us to be at 8,500 right now and looking for that bounce out of here, right? Looking for that bounce out. 8,800 bounce out. 9,200, yeah, I don't know about 9,200, but I would like to see 8,800 to 8,200, kind of where we really get that bounce out, right? To say, okay, fake out by everybody, and we're going to run, right? Same thing. Look, the big triangle tells us the same damn thing, right? The big triangle continually the big triangle says the same thing. I mean, there's your support, and below that, it's just a freaking shit show. I mean, that's all it is. You're just looking, this is where the big mamma jamma goes to fall. 9,200 is that next support level down. Below that, you're looking at, there's that 8,800 range right there. All right. And then we just don't even want to talk about losing this. You lose this area, but 85 wick down is okay. All right, 8,500 wick down is totally fine with me. Copacetic with that, right? So that's it, man. I really don't think I've got anything else that's really relevant right now, okay, for BTC, right? Just so basically the summary is, all right, let's do a quick summary for everybody. Summary, right? Looking for a possible relief bounce here. 10K is the R, is the heavy R, right? But really, the weekly middle BB is at 98.11, and that will be your R level 1. Right, so that's going to be your first resistance level on what I really want to see this bounce out, and at least come up here and hit that middle Bollinger Band before you come back down, right? And number 2, seriously, we see that major support levels on so many indicators are being tested for the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th time, and this bitch is gonna give up the goods. Okay. 3 support. So 3 are supports. There's our supports right there. Copy, paste. That's 2.5, right? And there you go. That's 3. And right, 4. If you are going to play alts, just be aware that BTC is very fickle, and any pump to the R a 9811 or 10K will be looking for a rejection hard. Okay, 5. You can all be bullish over 10,580, 570, 580. Over 580. This will be a breakout area for the triangle. Right, Zach, I just want to confirm that. Let me go find my freaking triangle. Triangle. All right, 10,660. I was close. 10,660. 680, right? All right, so we're going to do this. Warning. Is from 9,200 to 8,800. Okay. Right? 9,200 to 8,800. All right. And that's it. All right, everybody. So, bounce dump. It's kind of what we're looking for, right? All right, I'm the Vamp. I want to say thank you to everybody out there. It's been my pleasure being here, and that's it. I'm out of here. Good night, everyone.